webinar on installing Oracle Database Vault. The version will be 11G, and soon we will be installing Oracle Database Vault on 12C as well. So today we will be learning how to install Oracle Vault on 11G. So I will be sharing my screen with you, and so so now basically what this webinar will be is that we will have a software binaries of 11G database, and we will be learning how we can install Oracle 11G database vault. So if you can see my screen here, I have a Linux operating system here, and so this is what you can see. And let me just reopen the prompt, the command, and this is how we open the terminal. And I'll just quickly go to the staging directory, and here you see we have a software. I'll go to database software, not the grid one, DB, because we need database software, okay, to install Oracle Vault, because the grid software will be for grid infrastructure, either for standalone server or real application clusters. So I'm going to run installer to do the installation of Oracle 11G database vault. So without wasting any time, I'll be showing you quickly the interfaces, and how to get the Vault software binaries, and basically how to activate that in Oracle database. Now, interestingly, with the run installer, you can choose the option to install Oracle Vault, of course, with label security. Now, interestingly, if you have installed the database without this option with run installer, later also you can activate the binaries of database vault. That we'll also see, but that will be in another webinar. So let's say as of now, I do not want this. I installed the database software. The previous option was basically the Metalink Miracle support account. So this is just a webinar. So I'll just install the database software, let's say, and a single instance, yes, English language. So if you see here the enterprise edition, now if you see here, if I choose database vault, automatically label security is also picked up. But if I even remove label security, even the vault is removed. So that means if you choose vault, you must have label security. Okay. But if you choose label security, you don't actually need vault. That's not mandatory, that means. Okay. So here we want vault, of course, and label security will be the must. So I choose these products and I go next. That will be my database home. And so that will be pretty clear now, that how you can choose the database vault option. And then installation will be how to install Oracle 11G. I'll be sharing in another webinar how we can basically configure all the users in Linux, and how we can set kernel parameters. If there are any issues, how we can fix them. So basically that's Oracle 11G vault. So we'll just basically see how we can install this particular software with the vault. And in the next video we will be learning how we can use vault to restrict users. Okay, how we can basically work with vault. So so let's wait for vault to get installed. And once the installation, basically that's the at the installation time, how you can choose database vault options. So I believe it's pretty clear now. So in the next video, we will be learning how we can work with database vault. And before that, we will be learning how to create, you know, a database, and how we can activate vault inside the database. Because installing, database software with vault option, that's a different thing. And uh, creating a database and activating a vault in that, that's a different thing, because you can have a database without vault as well, even though vault is available in the software binaries. So let the installation get finished, then we'll see how we can move further. So it's going to take some time. So to avoid the length of the video, I'll just skip this because definitely the installation will complete successfully. So it's going to take time to so to reduce the length of the video, I'll finish this webinar. Okay, so we'll continue with the other topics in the next webinar. Okay, so thank you so much for attending. Okay, we'll see you in another video. Thank you.